100 people coming in from an ad, almost 50 of them doesn't even respond, even like, and then now you have paid almost close to like $2,500. That's when you close those loans, at least two of those out of the five or six. If you're not in marketing, then for you, the definition of leads is just someone who is looking to buy a house. And people will sell you on that. Hey, I'll give you leads of people who responded to an ad. But 100 people coming in from an ad, almost 50 of them doesn't even respond, even like if you call them every day next 100 days, right? Probably like 30 of them. But still, there's going to be 70 more out of the 100 now, possibly maybe responding to the calls, but they might be looking for renting. The credit score might not be aligned. They're like, you know what, I already have someone else, so I just clicked on it by mistake. So that is a time waste. So now if someone sells you on like, oh hey, I'm gonna be giving you 50 of these type of leads, you'll be like, you know what, yeah, that's a good number. So if I can get 50 of these people, then I can convert at least five of them into a loan, and I make like 1%, like 100 basis points, then I would be possibly making like 10 grand at least. Like if you're 250K home and you make 1%, that's like 2,500 times four of these or five of these is like $12,000. Oh my goodness. So yeah, and like how much does it cost? Oh, yeah, they're like, it's just $50 a lead. And then now you have paid almost close to like $2,500 for it. It's like you paid 2.5 grand and you are expecting something that is never possible. You can never convert, 10% of those leads. 10% of those leads will be qualified booked appointments that actually convert into a conversation. If you are being sold on that idea, that is not going to happen. And also, those five to seven people from the Facebook ads that came in and you have had this conversation, they probably are in the initial phases of the home buying journey. So now you have to carry them throughout the process, connect them with reliable realtors who will show them properties. And in turn, after like a couple months in, 3 months in, 4 months in, that's when you close those loans, at least two of those out of the five or six, right? That is what you should be expecting. There's two options that you can look forward in similar type of situations. When someone is selling you, let's say 50 leads, look into the process. Are they people who just submitted their contact information? If that is the case, it's not worth it. So that's the expectation that they should be selling you to. If they're not giving that expectation, proper expectation is not set, then it is not genuine. So they're selling you on a wrong idea of what to expect. If even you want to go that route, which we provide as a service provider, we do that service. But what we do is like we give you the appointments. The deal is more focused on the appointments that is actually converted to a conversation. So everything on the back end is just numbers that doesn't, you should not bother with that.